Free music for YouTube videos, no copyright, no tension. Welcome to How To Doer. I'm Gogi from How To Doer. Today we're gonna talk about that from where we can download and use music on our YouTube vlogs, videos, and we never get a copyright strike. Yes, you are listening right. I am playing now a music. 1 second. I am going to play a music and gonna show you that it's not even giving me strike. Now listen, I am playing a music behind me and I am going to get no copyright strike. Then how it is possible? Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. I gonna let you know that YouTube itself provides you the free music so that you never get a copyright strike on your videos and your videos should be look attractive. So where you can find these music, let's begin the video. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. From your internet browser, search on Google YouTube. 1 second. YouTube audio library. You have to search it on your laptop, computer, mobile, wherever you want to go. Click on this YouTube library, audio library, and this is the platform, this is the place where you get unlimited free music over here. That is totally free. This can be used on your videos. This is the videos. Now you can use these on your 1 second. I'm increasing. Woo! Where is the download link? Yes, I am going to letting you know. In front of this music over here, this is the download option. You can click on it and after that it will start downloading. I am playing that music right now. 1 second. That's playing over here. Oh, where it is? I am playing a music right now. So from over here we can download and use those music. We gonna never get a copyright strike. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more informative videos like this. For now, bye bye.